Winter jackets are crafted using high-performance materials like synthetic fibers such as nylon and polyester, or natural ones like down feathers. Insulating materials trap body heat while the outer shell is often coated with a water-resistant or waterproof layer to keep you dry. Winter jackets start with strong outer fabrics such as nylon or polyester, which are coated with water-resistant treatments. The insulation inside can be made from down feathers or synthetic alternatives to keep you warm. Fiberglass boats are created by layering sheets of fiberglass fabric and resin in molds. The fiberglass fibers are woven together to form a strong, flexible matrix that is then bonded with resin. After curing, the boat hull is shaped and finished with anti-fouling coatings. To make fiberglass boats, manufacturers begin by weaving fiberglass strands into a fabric. Resin is then applied to bond the layers, which are molded into the desired boat shape before being cured to achieve a tough, lightweight finish. Lasagna is made by layering sheets of pasta with a rich filling of seasoned meat, bechamel sauce, and marinara. The layers are stacked, topped with cheese, and baked to perfection. The secret to great lasagna is the layers. Start with a base of marinara sauce and a rich meat filling, followed by sheets of pasta and a creamy bechamel sauce. Then, top it all off with cheese before baking. 3D puzzles are used for entertainment, education, and decoration. They engage the mind, enhancing problem-solving skills while providing a sense of accomplishment once the puzzle is complete. Beyond fun, 3D puzzles serve as engaging activities that stimulate the mind. They're also used as decorative items, with completed models often displayed as works of art. Wooden lamps are used in interior design to create a natural, warm ambiance. They are commonly found in living rooms, bedrooms, and even offices, where their unique, handcrafted appearance adds style. These lamps are perfect for creating a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere, whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or workspace. From the warmth of winter jackets to the craftsmanship of wooden lamps, these everyday items are not just functional. They bring comfort, style, and innovation to our lives. Each of these items represents human ingenuity, blending practicality with creativity and adding beauty and function to our homes, hobbies, and adventures.